In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Quotex. Now, it's important to be aware right off the bat that Quotex's official FAQ states you cannot change your email address yourself through their platform. So, if you need this update, contacting their support team will be your main course of action. But don't worry, I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, start by heading over to the Quotex website and log into your account using your current credentials. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to navigate your way to the Support or Contact Us section. This is commonly found at the bottom of their website. Once you're there, you'll see an option for Contact Customer Support. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll be creating a message to request an email change. In this message, you'll need to clearly articulate your request to the support team. Begin by specifying your current, also known as the old, email address associated with your Quotex account. This information is crucial as it helps the support team locate your account accurately. Next, you will indicate the new email address you wish to use. Ensuring that this email is active and accessible is important, as it will likely be where Quotex will send correspondences regarding your account. If by any chance you no longer have access to your old email, make sure to emphasize this point in your correspondence with support. Such information can expedite the process. Now, depending on Quotex's security requirements, you may be asked to provide proof of identity. This could be anything from a copy of a government-issued ID to a recent utility bill. But make sure to follow any specific instructions they provide you. This step is meant to protect both your account and Quotex as the email change is processed. Once your message is complete, submit the request, and then the waiting game begins. It's a good idea to check your new email's inbox and perhaps the spam folder regularly for a response from the support team. Keep in mind that response times can vary, so a little patience might be necessary. By following these steps, you're making sure that the request is as complete as possible, increasing the chances of a swift resolution. And that's how you navigate changing your email on Quotex. Hopefully, this guide was helpful and you'll have your new email address in no time. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your request.